Classification of monohalo compounds. Alkyl halides or haloalkanes. Monohalogens with one alkyl halide are called as primary haloalkanes. Monohalogens with two alkyl halides are called as secondary haloalkanes. Monohalogens with three alkyl halides are called as tertiary haloalkanes. Allylic halides. These are the compounds in which the halogen atom is bonded to an carbon atom next to the double bond of carbon atoms. Benzylic halides. Here, the halogen atom is bonded to an carbon atom next to an aromatic ring. Vinylic halides. Here, the halogen atom is bonded to an carbon atom with double bond. Aryl halides. Here, the halogen atom is bonded to an carbon atom of an aromatic ring.